a cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contours, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna put pretty in my eye.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing a synthetic unit, and I know, girl, it's been a while since we did one of these, but in all fairness, I feel like the units that have been coming out within the last couple of months, they just haven't really been, I don't know, innovative or like catching my eye. This one caught my eye, and I'll tell you why in just a second. This unit is from Zury Hollywood, and if I'm thinking correctly, she's one of their newer units. She goes by the name of LF Chunky Baby Fayola. This unit is offered in multiple colors, and of course I'll pop it up here on the screen somewhere. I got the color FFT Caramel Blonde. If you're new to the channel, I've said this before that I'm not the biggest fan of baby hairs. Number one, because I just don't feel like they always look the best, and number two, I can't do them. Listen, I have no problem admitting when I cannot do something, and I am not very skilled in baby hairs, whether it's chunky baby hairs, fluffy, light baby hairs. Like, I feel like I've done baby hairs one time to where it looked good, and that was recently. So just know in past videos, if I did baby hairs and I said that they looked good, y'all know they didn't. No, they did not. Like, at that time, for the skill level that I had at that moment, they looked good, but looking back, child, no. But anywho, the reason why this particular unit caught my eye is because it comes with pre-curled chunky baby hairs. Now, again, I'm not the biggest fan of baby hairs, but I'm also somebody who's not afraid to try a different hairstyle, because let's be real, my mind can change really quickly and really easily when it comes to wigs. On the packaging, it says that gel is enough, and I'm guessing they're meaning like to sleek down the baby hairs. Me personally, I probably will not be using any gel for the baby hairs. I may or may not use some edge control, but I don't know, we'll see. This is how the packaging is looking for the unit. I hope you can see it pretty clear. I hope there's no glare, but right here it's showing how the chunky baby hairs are like already pulled out on the side up top, and then also like near the ear. What's it called? Sideburns? Lord, I don't know why I couldn't say that. The sideburns. So when they say chunky, yeah, they definitely mean chunky. This is the unit out of the packaging, and I can say that she's really pretty. Like, I love the color blend that's going on. Dark roots at the top, and then it goes down into that caramel blonde color. It looks like it has like a lighter streak in the front, so like some money pieces, if you will. But I will tell you that I already know I'm going to be using some dry shampoo on this unit because she is looking quite shiny. It says that you can use heat on this unit up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I probably will not be doing that because I just feel like the unit will for sure melt. But at the bottom, the ends are like very straight, and I don't know, I don't like ends like this because to me it just kind of like screams synthetic wig. So I'm probably going to use my like roller brush and my blow dryer to see if I can possibly add a little bump at the end. This is a side parted unit, and it's on the left side, so if you are a right side type of part girl, then you might want to avoid this unit. Also, the chunky baby hairs are on both sides of where your sideburns are going to be, but then it's also up near towards the parting space as well. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with the adjustable straps in the back, and then it also has a C-shaped parting space. Like I said, it is located on the left side, and then the cap is a breathable cap, so you shouldn't be getting hot in this unit. The unit does come pre-plucked, and I'm not really sure if you can see it on camera, but if you are somebody who likes to pluck your synthetic units, don't get too happy about this one because you're not really going to be able to do that. Seeing as how I want to say you get about a ½ inch of space of hair and lace, and then the tracks start immediately. So yeah, just be happy with what did come pre-plucked.
But she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe from here, but she doesn't run from riding us, guns, drugs,
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Zury Hollywood. Off camera, I did go in and tuck some of the hair behind my ear, and I used a little bobby pin to like hold it in place, just because, I don't know, I wasn't feeling all the hair in my face. A part of me is feeling indifferent about this unit because, I don't know, it's like a part of me wants to really like it, but then a part of me is just like, no. So with that said, we're gonna go ahead and start with my cons first, and my first con is gonna have to be the ends of this unit. I don't mind straight units, and I really don't mind synthetic straight units, but whenever it is a synthetic straight unit, I would prefer it to have like a little bump at the end. I don't know, like I stated earlier, whenever it's just literally straight and it's a synthetic unit, it just always kind of screams, well, synthetic. Earlier, as you saw in the video, I did try to go in with my round brush and my blow dryer to like create that little bump at the end of the unit, and for a split second it did hold, but I mean, it fell pretty quickly. And I also went in off camera and I tried to use a curling iron. Yes, I know I said I wasn't going to use any heat on this unit, or at least 400 degrees Fahrenheit worth of heat. I used, I don't even know what degree, because the curling iron I used has the numbers and not the degree number, but it didn't hold no curl at all. My second con about the unit, which really isn't a con, especially if you like wear synthetic units and you know what to expect. Basically what I'm trying to say is that I am getting a little bit of tangling. The tangling is happening more so towards the end of the unit, so I would just recommend making sure you keep a comb on you at all times. My next con and last con for this unit is the fact that I don't think this unit is big head friendly. Now she is fitting on my head pretty comfortably, but I just wish she was like an inch, maybe 2 inches wider, just so I could like bring her further down. Now I know, like looking at the unit right now, you're probably like, girl, you don't need to bring that unit down any further. And yes, I understand that, I get that, but if you were to get pretty close, you would be able to see that my hairline is either out or on the verge of being out right on this side. Luckily, because of the way that the unit is styled, you really can't tell unless you are, again, right up on me. Now let's go ahead and move into my pros for the unit, and the first one is going to be the color. In my opinion, the coloring was done really well on this unit. I think she's perfect for fall. I mean, you could wear her whenever you want to wear her, obviously, but you know, during the fall time we tend to bring out the blondes, the browns, the gingers, and the reds, and I don't know, I just feel like she's giving like autumn leaves. Real cute. Speaking of fall, I do think that this would be a really good transitional unit, just because, like I stated earlier in the video, it is a breathable cap, so I mean, I'm not getting hot like whatsoever, especially with all these lights. I have yet to get hot. But then on top of that, the density for this unit, it's very light. My last pro for this unit is going to be the baby hair, surprisingly. I feel like they did a really good job with the sideburn baby hairs, and also of course the chunky baby hair here on the side. My favorite are the sideburns. I don't know, I feel like it's not doing too much, but it's doing just enough. I don't know, it's just really cute to me. As for the chunky baby hair, I think it's cute as well. Now personally, I do want to like thin it out just a little bit, but I mean, I'm not gonna do that because the purpose of this wig is the pre-curled chunky baby hair. Again, I'm very indifferent about this unit. I think she's very beautiful, but at the same time I'm just like, Zury, just fix those few little tweaks. Like, more so if the ends could be bumped on this unit, I would probably give it a 7 out of 10 or an 8 out of 10. But you guys let me know what you think about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the comment section or the description box. Why have I been saying that lately? I don't know why. Child, I'll have it in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.